Hi, I'm Prasad from PMK Photography. I'm a wedding photographer based in Udupi, Karnataka. Recently, I picked up the Nikon Z7 mirrorless camera for my wedding assignments, and I must tell you, this beast is so lightweight I can hardly feel it in my hands. Now I can get those challenging shots from any corner of any event that I couldn't have done with a heavy DSLR. With the new Nikon Mirrorless system, I do not miss any moment at a wedding because of the focusing system. It's fast and it's accurate. At first, many of them advised me to wait for some time before moving to the mirrorless system. There could be some flaws that could be addressed in the next releases. But I have no regrets in taking this decision. Nikon releases software updates, firmware updates very frequently to add cool new features into the camera. I would definitely recommend the new Nikon Mirrorless system to any wedding photographer. It surely is the best among the other brands.